I'm going to show you how to play with friends in YAPYAP the game. So first you want to open up the game and then click on the play button. And now if you go to refresh start, you will spawn right here. Now to invite your friends, this game surprisingly doesn't have a UI, so you have to walk inside this room right here and interact with the Ponder Orb by pressing E. It should see you down here, and then open up your Steam interface where you can right click on your friend and click on invite to game. And it seems like you will be only able to invite players that are in your friends list. You will also need to have Steam overlay enabled from the settings for this to work properly. And you can check that by going to Steam from the top left here, settings, and then scroll down to in-game and make sure to enable the Steam overlay and restart the game if you just enabled that for Steam to load properly. And once you invite your friends, you want to go back to the room outside, or the other orb outside, which is somewhere around here, this one. And from here you should be able to start your game. And once you start or activate this orb, it should teleport you to the actual level of the game. And when you go there, you won't be able to invite your friends, or your friends won't be able to join you anymore because the game is started and is already in progress. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.